Welcome to road touring directly from this town behind me, Breil sur Roya, and what we're going to face next is the Col de Brouis. We take you with us today to let you know this mountain pass in the southern France of Maritime Alps, just over the Italian border. The road winds between Breil sur Roya and Sospel for its many hairpins and it's 879 meters above the sea level. As every southern France road that the world fit, also this one presents the classic stone walls, the plain trees along the side of the road and the black line of tar on the perfectly smooth tarmac. We wanted to bring you here today, and some already could have guessed the reason by hearing the Sospel town word, because of the Monte Carlo Rally. In fact, this road has been used in previous editions, but also by the cycling competition of Tour de France in the mid-20th century. Once reached the top, the riders arrived here have the possibility of refreshment at the local holiday home with restaurants, while we're ready for the thank you section towards Sospel. And so we have reached the Sospel town, but our journey through the best roads in the world keeps on. Let me know what you think about today's mountain pass with a comment below. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon for our latest updates, you don't want to miss it. From road touring for now it's all, see you next time, ciao!